everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I wanted to pop on and show you how to make the scrub hat from the NI Scrubs pre-cut template. There's a couple of ways of making this. I discovered you can make it as a size small, and it is simply overlocked here, and the crown of the cap, you fold this part and then you overlock the whole way. You have these two ties at the back that just ties. You can also attach some elastic here, okay, which is another option if you want to tighten that at the back. The other thing is you could not fold this front piece and tail over and leave it, and that will mean that you'll have a larger scrub hat. What they'll do when they're wearing it is they'll fold this bit in and then they'll tie it at the back. So I suppose it fits more sizes then. So you have the small, which is quite snug, and then you have the larger one version as well on how to make it. So there's a couple of ways to make this. I have also top stitched as well. You can do that if you want. So really quick, let's not waste any time and let's just show you how to make these scrub hats. Thank you, bye. Start by overlocking one side of the outer band. You will then take it to the sewing machine and just turn over your overlocked edge and hem. You will also want to hem the bottom of your crown. Remove all the pins and give it a good press. Next, you want to find the center point of your side scrub and just mark it. You will also want to find the center point of your crown piece and mark it as well. Making sure you press right sides together. Start pinning your crown to the side of the scrub hat in a circular motion. You want to now overlock around the entire side seams. You then want to just top stitch and hem the tie back. You can also top stitch around the entire crown, just where you have overlocked, just top stitch them overlock seams down. Okay, so let's make a small scrub hat. This time I'm going to show you how to insert the elastic. So cut a small piece of elastic smaller than the base of the crown, as you can see. And you want to turn it over and zigzag stitch along the bottom line. You will then take the side piece and fold it in half and pin it together. Like before, you'll want to find the center point of both the side piece and the crown piece. So find the center piece and just mark it with a pin or a piece of chalk. Take your crown piece and also find the center, and then you'll match these up. Take your two pieces, ensuring that it is right sides together, and pin around in a circular motion. And after you've done that last step, that's pretty much you. Sit back and admire your scrub hat. And that's it. That is your scrub hat. Pretty simple, but if you do have any questions on the construction or anything, please do pop in the comments below, and yeah, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Good luck and see you later.